Estrogen is one of the most powerful hormones in a woman's body, and when it's out of balance, it can silently sabotage your energy, mood, skin, and even fertility. Today, I'm breaking down how to quickly spot whether your estrogen is too high or too low, and what your body might be trying to tell you. Estrogen is key for regulating your menstrual cycle, maintaining healthy bones, supporting brain function, and yes, even your metabolism and mood. But here's the thing. Too much or too little estrogen can throw everything off, and most women have no idea it's happening. If you have high estrogen, you might notice heavy or painful periods, bloating and weight gain, especially around the hips and thighs, breast tenderness or fibrocystic breasts, mood swings, irritability or anxiety, headaches, especially before your period, and trouble sleeping. This is often called estrogen dominance. It can happen even if your estrogen is normal, but your progesterone is too low, so it's about balance, not just levels. Now, low estrogen can look very different. Watch for things like irregular or missed periods, vaginal dryness or discomfort during intimacy, night sweats or hot flashes, low libido, brain fog or poor concentration, fatigue, and low motivation. Dr. P, this is more common in perimenopause, after birth control, or due to chronic stress. Low estrogen affects quality of life and long-term bone, brain, and heart health. If you think your estrogen may be off, here are natural ways to support balance. Eating cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and kale can help detox excess estrogen. Limiting plastic and chemical exposure is also important, as these can act like fake estrogens in the body. Supporting your liver with herbs like milk thistle or dandelion can make a big difference too. Getting enough sleep and managing stress is key, since cortisol can really mess with estrogen production. You might also consider seed cycling or adaptogens like maca or ashwagandha if they're appropriate for you. Dr. Pan, always work with a qualified practitioner for testing and a tailored plan, but these strategies are great starting points for almost every woman. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Dr. P Natural Health. I post weekly videos on women's health and natural healing. And let me know in the comments. Have you ever wondered if your estrogen is out of balance?